Hello guys, this is 60,000 mAh 65 watts power bank by HEPU. This is just an unboxing video, not a review. Maybe after a few weeks I might do a review on this power bank, and I'm going to put the link in the description if you want to order. Only for those staying in Nigeria though. So this is how it comes in the box. Pardon me because I'm doing everything with one hand. Nobody's holding my camera. I'm going to... It comes with a USB Type-C to Type-C short cable, a manual, and of course the power bank. 4 USB-A, 2 USB-C ports, 1 DC port, the power button, and LED at the bottom is 22 watts LED. So this power bank can actually charge your laptop if your laptop supports power delivery Thunderbolt. If your laptop can charge via USB Type-C, you can use this power bank to charge your laptop. I have a HP laptop that doesn't support USB Type-C Thunderbolt support, so that's why I got this cable. So if I plug it in, I can use it to charge the laptop. So this power bank is pretty good. I mean, my brother have it already, but I might do a full review on this channel. But that's all for this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to answer you.